Good evening. Namaskaram. Vanakkam. Adavarse. Namaste. Welcome to Green Seva Foundation, a Go Green Eco Projects. First of its kind in the world. We initiated the project called a Go Green Eco Project, supporting environment and also supporting Swachh Bharat mission. By making eco-friendly activities, by manufacturing of electrical vehicles, innovation of electrical vehicles, design of electrical vehicles, modification of electrical vehicles, retrofitting of electrical vehicles, lithium-ion batteries, battery storage systems, like lot of designs, lot of models we developed. So I myself, P. Venkateshan Gupta, founder and innovator of electrical vehicles in India. Today we are seeing different variants, different colors, models as per customer requirement. The vehicles which we are presenting are very innovative, very cute, very designed. So our intention is to promote Go Green, to support India, because barrel of oil coming to India we can stop the dollars, so our Indian economy also grows. Our intention is to promote Go Green, support electrical vehicles and support the pocket money of outsiders or end users or individuals or Indians, starting from 25,000, 35,000, 55,000, 65,000, 75,000. As per customer needs, we are given 500 kilometers first time in India. So our vehicles are running from past 2 years, 500 kilometers range. We got Guinness Book of World Record, we got Universal Book of Record. Like this, we are making more than 500 models we have designed. Let us grow each other by saving nature. We have centralized locking system. This is smallest vehicle in India, like Sunny model. Smallest, some child, very cute vehicle. Everybody, very easy, easy to handle. So our vehicles are totally sensitive, totally easy, and everybody can ride. This model will help you with digital display, indicator, everything we have. This is one of the model called V60 Plus. It can give up to 100 kilometers mileage. Totally advanced system. Our vehicle contains this type of number plate in which it indicates customer care. Easy to understand, person interested in having number to call customer care, he can take the help of this customer and attend the call. Government of India is given permission as low speed category, no license, no registration. We have designed for 12 brands of 12 vehicles of 12 models with 12 lakhs investment. Welcome and have an investment of this one, and have all brands all over India, pan India we are inviting. Business opportunity we have, save India, save nation. These are some of the technical specifications for each vehicle it is having. Like that, we got Guinness Book of World Record, Burra Venkatesam secretaries coming up with charging station, different models. I welcome you all for Vasavi Wheels, a checkup camp. For any inquiries, for any business models, you can have a glance on this. Some of the vehicles are ready to dispatch and parcel, and you can have this one, different variants, different colors, different models, ready to go, now moving all India, other states also. This is a USB charging where we can put inside. This we can have any multiple ports connected like this. This is a port for which you have computer cable 3-pin inside. This is a male connector we are putting here. You can see this is a charger, 60 volt charger, 3 amperes. We will connect this to some power supply. These are the vehicles now ready for going. These are the models, cute models, so ready for dispatch also. These are some of the models which are going to be dispatched. These are readily going for all over India, these vehicles. So packed, ready for moving these all vehicles, different models, different variants. So I see these vehicles going all over India, I am happy. And these are the two-wheeler cycle and two-wheeler bike and rickshaw, auto, and different variants, different models you can have. So my phone number is 9912772635. I welcome you all to to join our Go Green campaign. I'm happy to see you all once again. Thank you.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.